Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Authenticator for secure account protection. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, look for the Begin Setup or Add Account option. Tap on the option to start the account setup process. You will be prompted to choose the type of account you want to add. Select Work or School account if you are adding a professional account. Choose Personal account if you are adding a private account. For a work or school account, you can either sign in with a QR code or manually enter your credentials. If you have a QR code from your organization, tap on the Scan a QR code option. Point your device's camera at the QR code to scan it. Once scanned, the account will be automatically configured. If you are entering your credentials manually, select the corresponding option. Type in your email address and tap Next. Enter your password and then tap Sign in. You may be prompted to complete Follow the on-screen prompts to provide required information, such as a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once verification is complete, your account will be added to the Authenticator app. You can now view your added account on the main screen of the app. To secure your account further, consider enabling biometrics or a passcode. Return to the account screen to manage your accounts or add additional ones. You have successfully logged into Microsoft Authenticator for enhanced account protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.